So yesterday we have downloaded Java, JDK, and then Eclipse, and then we have installed it. So today I'll just open the Eclipse here. So Eclipse, usually when I download, I'll be getting a RAR file like this. Right click, and then when I click on extract here, I'll be getting a folder called here Eclipse. So open that Eclipse. So some of them might be new to it for the today's session. Okay, so what I took yesterday is actually what the Java and JDK session is what I had taken.
Sir?
Hello, yes? Yes, Anil?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Anil? Do you have any questions?
No, my voice was less actually. Again, I adjusted. Just fine, right?
Sure. Okay, cool. So some of them might be new, so for them I'll be taking a backup session. So I'll be sending a mail to everyone. If anyone want to re-attend or something also for the Java and JDK installation, you can also re-attend. So today's session I'm just going to continue with actually how the session, that is actually how to write a program and then how to create a variable. Those stuffs is what we are going to see. So I'll open the Eclipse, right click on this zip file, extract it. You'll be getting a folder called Eclipse. Click on it. Then you will have here an application called Eclipse here. Double click on it. So you will be getting a workspace launcher like this. So here you just browse and change to a different view. So I'll browse it. Then I'll go to the D drive. So I'll create a new folder as new Eclipse codes. I'll just create a folder. Then after that I'll click on OK. So now if you see new Eclipse codes, it will come. So then here I'll click on OK. Here once you come, when it's trying to create the project, okay, so workspace, what will happen for us means right now, it will help us to create some temporary files. Those files will be responsible for us to work on to, that is actually will be helpful for us to write the code files. So this is what the first window we will be getting. I don't want this welcome screen. I'll close it. Then I'll open this. I'll close the unwanted windows as of now. I don't want. So first, I told you from my side, when I want to work on with Eclipse or a Java coding, for me, the first one is Workspace. Then the next one, I want to create a project. Then the next one, I want to create a package. Then the next one, I want to create a class file or a Java file. These are the things is what I want to create. So first one, I created the workspace. The next one, I want to create the project. Okay, so the project you have to create with actually what? The version 1.7 or above. Okay, what is that 1.7 or above? We'll see now. If I want to create the project, I need to go to File, New, then go for Project. Click on it. I can also say this one as actually Java project. Okay, then after that, here you can see Java project. Otherwise, if you go to the Java folder, you can see Java project. Okay, click on it, click on next. Then after that, select an environment as 1.7. Usually it will be in CDC Foundation. That is for the advanced level, but we are going to work on with the basic level. So select Java SE 1.7 or 1.8. So right now here I have 1.7. Otherwise you can select here, use default JRE 1.8. That is JRE 8. Okay. So I'm gonna go with 1.7 right now. Then I'm going to give the project name. So project name, I'll just give my project. I'll just give my project. Then click on finish. Then it will be giving an information. This kind of project is also to Java's perspective. Do you want to change the view? Okay, so that's what. So right now it's Java EE. When I click on yes, for me, it will come a Java section. Okay, so we are going to work on with core Java concepts only. So for this, we need this Java project only. Then after that, I'll close the task list, outline. All these unwanted windows, I have closed it. That's what. So right now I have created the workspace. Next is Java project I have created. Next is package I want to create. If I want to create the package, I'll open this. Here I can see source folder. So what are the things will be there in the project? Again, we'll see. So right click on the source folder, go to new. Then after that, you can see package, click on that. Okay. Then after that, I'll give the package name as fresh pack. Simple as you. So it's giving me discouraged package name. Usually it starts with actually a lowercase letter. So I'll start with the lowercase letter. That's a standard way of, fresh pack, I'll make it a small f. That's a standard way of creating the package. It's not mandatory that it should be start with small letter. But standard way is to always create with a small letter. So I created it. Click on finish. So we have done with the package also. The next one, I'm going to create a class file or a Java file. So right click on the package, go to new class. Okay, then click on it. Then give that class name. Learning Java. So here class name always should start with capital letter. If I start with a small letter, type name is discouraged. It should start with uppercase letter. Package should start with small letter. Class should start with capital letter. Clear? So I created it. Then I'll click on default and then public static void main. Okay, these two things I need to select. Default and then click on public static void main. Then click on finish. Okay. So once again, I'll create another class. So here, once we create, we will get these code files. So what that means? What is my class name? Learning Java. Class Learning Java. I selected on a checkbox called public static void main. Because of that, I got this one. And then what is my package name here is fresh pack. Okay. So once again, I'll create another package. Right click on the source folder, go to new package. Then I'll just give old pack. Start with a small letter. Package name should start with a small letter. Click on finish. Right click, new class, give it as learning Eclipse. Class always should start with capital letter. Now select default. I'm not going to click on the public static void main checkbox. So normally when I click on finish, what will happen? We'll see. What is my package name right now? It's old pack. Then what is my class name? It is a learning Eclipse. I don't have the main function. If I want the main function, for that the shortcut is what means? MAIN control space enter. That's the thing. So what is the shortcut? We'll do. Before that, I'll increase the font size so it will be visible for everyone. Go to window. If you want to increase the font size, go to window, preferences. Here type font, then colors and fonts, go to the basic folder, come down, text font, edit, I'll make it as 13 now. Click on finish and then I'll try to apply. So yes, okay, and then click on okay. That's the thing. So how to get the public static void main means? For that you have to type main then control plus space button plus enter button. That's it. Control plus space plus enter button. Okay, this is a shortcut. I want to print hello world. So for that, SYSO control space. Then in double quotes give hello world. Clear, guys? So shortcut is, so if you want to comment a line, that is if you don't want to execute a line in a Java, double / SYSO, then control plus space button. Okay, this is all. I want to execute a line. From my side, I want to execute this program. So right click, run as Java application. That's what you need to click. When you click on it, hello world, that will be executed for us. Okay, so right click, run as Java application. Getting? Then after that, other way is actually what you can click on this run icon. When you click on it, it will run it, and the output is hello world. Okay, if I want to print other thing, SYSO, then in double quotes I'll just give ABC. When I run it, right click, run as Java application, ABC. That's it. Clear? Anyone has any questions, guys, so far? Anyone has any questions so far? Can I expect from everyone to give me in the chat windows yes if you have understood it? Can everyone can just give me as yes if you have understood, still know what I've told? Cool, superb, good. Okay, cool, guys, awesome. So now we'll do the same thing as what are the things we have done as of now. Okay, so right now I want someone of you to do what are the things I have done step by step. So I'll close it right now. I don't want this. I'll click on OK. So I'll ask each and everyone one by one so that we'll do the steps. So it'll be easy for you guys to do. So right now, Arshila, you're there? Hi, Arshila. Hello. Hey, hi, Arshila. For me right now, I just want to open the Eclipse and then I want to create a workspace. Can you tell me how I can do that?
Just click on Eclipse.
Yes, double click on the folder.
Then the Eclipse application.
Awesome, super. Then if I want to change the folder, I can browse and change it.
You can browse.
Yeah, so right now I want the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, right now I want the same section. So I'll select it for example, then click on OK. Okay, in case if I want to browse, I can change it, but right now I'll do it, create a project from this page itself. Okay, now I'll click on OK. I want to continue to write my code in the same place. That's what I'm trying to do. So, just a second, load. So, okay, we have opened it. Okay. Hey, thanks, Ashila. Thank you so much. So now next, I'll ask, hey, Krishna, you're there? Krishna Solanki? Hello. Hey, hi, Krishna. You're there? Your mic is not working. Okay. Manjari, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Manjari. I want you to create a project.
Okay.
What do you need to do?
So first we'll go to File.
Yes, File.
New.
New.
and choose Java project.
Yes. In case if Java project is not there,
Then we'll open project and in there we'll get the Java project.
correct. Select project. There you will get Java project here or
Java
under the
project
Java
and
folder.
here too. Yes.
Then
Next.
yes.
Then give the project name.
Yes, my project name, I'll just give it as second project. Then
Then we'll choose the execution environment as 1.7 or 1.8.
yes, correct. Then
Finish.
click on finish. So when they're opening for the first time, I might be getting another warning message, but this one already we have got the Java section, so that's why we did not get the warning message. Okay, cool. Hey, cool, super, Manjari. Thank you. Hey, hi, Om Prakash, you're there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hey, hi, Prakash. Can you tell me right now we have created the workspace and then the project. Can you create me a package? So right now we have created the project. I want to create a package like this. So what can we do? Any idea? No problem. You can just give it a try because you guys are coming for the first time. So just give it a try. Otherwise, anyway, I'll tell you.
Sure. So can you click on the SRC?
Yes. Right click on the SRC.
Yeah. And then you find a package here.
So where you have to go to new.
Okay. Yeah.
Then
SRC new and package.
correct. Yes. Awesome. So here I'll give the package name, for example.
It should be in small letters.
Yes, it should start with small letter. That's the thing. Yes, super. Then click on finish. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, Om Prakash. Next, Divya, we have created right now the package. I want to create a class file right now. Can you tell me?
Yeah, so you need to click on the package, right click on package,
Super. Yes.
then new,
Yes.
and then we need to click on the class.
Yes.
Then we'll give the class name.
Yes.
We'll select the modifiers as default.
Yes. Class name I'll just give as of now as first class. So if this one, if I give it in small letter,
Yeah, and
it gives me in a. Is this mandatory that always my class name should be a capital letter?
Yeah,
No, it's a standard practice, but it's not mandatory.
there will be a warning shown.
Correct. It's just a warning message.
Yeah.
That is what is the error is. For example, I'll just give a space. See, type name is not valid. This is cannot be done. Yes, correct. I can just give underscore, but I cannot actually word, for example, some other symbols I cannot give. Okay, underscore, that is only available. Other symbols are not available. Okay, yes, set it default. Then I will click on
Then public static void main.
so in case right now I have not selected it. Okay, then I will click on finish.
Finish.
Yes. Hey, thanks, Divya. Awesome, superb. Can you tell me what is this one? What is this?
This is the package.
Correct. Because I created the class under the best pack, so that's why it will come that. This is a class and this is the name of it with the flower basis. Okay, cool. Hey, thanks, Divya. Balaji, can you tell me? I have created a class. Hello. Hey, hi, Balaji.
Hello.
Hi, Balaji. Right now, I have created a class. I want you to get me the main function.
Okay. Yeah. So for this, we have to do like main control space.
Super. Type main and then control space. Enter button. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes. It's super. Good man. Thank you. Thanks, Balaji.
Yep. Yeah.
Next, now. Okay. I'll ask the other person. Hey, hi, Ramya. Hello. Hey, hi, Ramya. Okay. Hey, Santosh. Hi, Santosh. You're there?
Yeah, Murali.
Hi, Santosh. Yeah. Right now I want to print hello world. Can you tell me how I can print hello world?
So for that, first you need to type SYSO,
Sizzle.
SYSO,
Yes.
control space enter.
Yes.
So we'll get the syntax. So
Yes.
inside that print line braces, so we need to give that hello world.
Hello world. Yes, that's it. Okay. So now we have got the hello world. So if I want to execute, how I can do that?
Yeah, there are two ways. One is just right click,
Yes.
run as
Yeah.
Java application.
Java application. Yes, that's it. Super. The other way?
Other way, there is an icon.
Yes.
Yeah.
This run the play icon that when I click on it, that also will run the program. Equal. Thanks, Satosh. Thank you. So now we have seen actually what how to create a project package and then after that a class file. Okay. So now we will see what's there under the project when we create it. So I'll go to the location, right click on the project, go to properties. Under the resource, you will see the project location. So I'll copy that. Then I'll go to this location. I'll paste the location here. So what will happen when I'm going to create a project? So I'll open the paint. So there are two types of views I'm going to discuss here. So one is the one is the folder view. This is the original folder section view. Then the next one is the in the Eclipse how the view will be there. This is the original folder section view. Then this one is Eclipse view. So how both will be there? So right now I created the project. I'll take this actually what my project. This is my name. So this will be my project. Okay. So in the original folder section view, if I go, so this is my project. You can see a source folder and the bin folder and then some other sections. So these two are the places where my files will be saved. So there will be a source folder and then a bin folder. So this will not be asked in your interview and all. Okay, this is for your learning over here, because if you know this part, actually what understanding the next concepts will be easy. So that's why I'm taking this. Okay, so this is the source folder and this is the bin folder. This is my bin folder. So now if I go to the source folder, what are there? I have two packages. One is fresh pack and then another one is old pack. These two things. So here again two sections, two packages. One is fresh pack. Another one is the old pack. One is the fresh pack, another one is the old pack here. Okay, so this is what we have. Then if I go to the fresh pack, I created actually one Java file, which is learning.java, learning Java. So I'll create learning Java. It's a extension is .java. Extension is .java here. That's the clear. Because I know that I am taking a little bit extra time, but actually this is helpful for you to understand. That's why be with me for some time alone. If you already know this thing, this is really will be helpful for you when you're going to work on it. Then I'll go to the old pack. There I have learning Eclipse. .java. Learning Eclipse.java. This is the thing. Clear? This is what we have here. Same thing if I go to the bin folder. Here also I have the same fresh pack, old pack. Inside that one we have learning Java.class, and then here in the whole pack we have learning Eclipse.class. Okay, I'll tell you what are those class files once again. So I'll copy as of now. The same thing will come here. Will come here. The only thing is instead of class, that should be class. Dot class. That's it. Okay. So I told you yesterday over there. So source folder will consist of the Java files. Bin folder will consist of the dot class files here. Okay. So Java files, if you see, when you go to the source folder, fresh pack, learning, when you right click and then when you click on edit, you can see the same information what I have written here. Okay, learning Java. This is the thing. So whatever I have written, that will be here. So for example, right now I'll just print here. So this is a beautiful day. I'm going to click and then I'm going to save it. So when I write something, can you see a star mark will be there? That is not saved. When I press Ctrl yes, or when I'm going to click on the save, see right now it's saved. Now when I come here, I'll close this. Then I'm going to click on it. Can you see? Sorry. Right click, edit. Can you see that club? Anything, whatever you're going to do, that is going to be represented in the original folder section only. Eclipse is what means another advantage tool for you, user-friendly tool for you. Instead of writing in a notepad or something, this will be more handy for you to get the information. That's only. But everything, whatever you do in Eclipse, that's going to affect over there in the original folder view only. That's the thing. Clear? So the Java files will be easy, will be editable, and then I can see the code there. But the same thing when I go to the bin folder, fresh pack. This is a class file. Right click. I don't have an option for edit. When I click on open, I cannot open this file. Okay, Java files is used to write the code. Class files are used to execute. Okay, so now I'll try to execute it. See, right click, run as Java application. This is a beautiful day. I'm able to execute it. Now what I will do, I will delete this class file. Right click, delete it. Okay, I have deleted it. Now I'll try to run the same program. See, now I cannot execute it. It gives me an error. Okay, could not find or load the main class freshpack.learn.java. Freshpack is a package name, learning Java. Okay, it cannot able to identify the class because class is used for to execute the code files. So right now I'll just give a small space. Then after that I'll save this thing. When I save it, the class file will be generated. Why? A backend compilation will be done. Then it will be creating me the class file here. Okay, guys who have joined today, okay, don't worry. I'll be taking the backup session for you for this. You will be understanding it. Nothing. A small topic has been taken. Okay, just a 10 minutes topic which will help you to understand what is this Java file, class files. You don't need to worry. It's not a big thing that I have taken. A small 10 minutes of program. Tomorrow, I'll try to schedule it. You guys can understand that. Okay. So I'll press Control S. When I press Control S, see what happens now. It creates the class file down only. Okay. Whenever a compilation happens, for us, what happens? The class file will be created. That's what. Now, if I run the program, it will run. Clear? This is a beautiful thing. Okay. So that is what here this class files will be there. Clear? In the Eclipse view, if you see, I will not be able to see the bin folder here. I can see source folder and then GRE system library. So one, we will have the source folder. Then after that, we will not be seeing the bin folder here because internally that will be there. The only thing is which we need here is shown as source folder. Another one is GRE system library. What is the GRE system library? We'll see. So before that, I'll run this. This is a GRE system library. So what does this GRE system library means? GRE system library. So what does this one means? Okay, so from our side, this GRE system library will have internally all the code files of related to Java. Okay, each and every package will have its own class files. So if you see, every package will have its own class file. Okay, so these things are helpful for me to execute the program, the Java program. So for example, I have public static void main system.out.println. I'm writing each and everything. Huh? So all these things are a kind of actually what keywords or methods which will go and call from the GRE system library and then execute some code internally. Okay, that's what this is going to be done. Okay, for that only we need these jar files. Jar files consist of the code related information. Clear? Anyone has any questions, guys, so far? Everyone understood it? Everyone understood? I just want everyone to ping in the chat windows, yes, if you have understood this part, so that I'll continue. Has everyone understood? Ping me in the chat windows, yes. Cool. Om Prakash, Santosh, Manjari, Krishna. Okay, yes. Everyone understood, guys?
Sir,
Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm Prakash.
songs are sound. You are seeing, hearing?
Yeah, yeah.
That is what I saw. We are unable to hear your voice.
Anil, that's coming from your end only. If I unmute you, then only we are getting that sound. Guys, anyone is facing the same issues from my side? Are you getting any background noise? No, no.
No,
Anil,
it's good.
yeah, Anil, it's from your end only, Anil. Yeah,
I'll check my end. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Guys, no one is facing this problem, background noise problem, na? From my side, is my voice is audible and clear, na?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. Sure. So now, okay. So now we have, what are the things we have seen right now is how to create a project, a package, a class file, and then how the view will be there. Okay, original folder view, how it will be, and then how the Eclipse folder view will be there. That's what we have seen still now. Yeah. Now we'll see here what is a variable. Okay. Now we are going to see. We'll jump into the program slowly. Okay. What is a variable? That's what first we are going to see. Just a second, guys. Just a minute. Hello. Sorry, guys. Sorry, it was a little bit important call, so that's why I do. Okay. So now I'll start it. So now we are going to see about the data types. Okay, so we're going to see about data types. What are the data types? So can anyone can tell me as what are the data types you know? Can you just ping me in the chat window as what are the data types you know? Can you ping me? Cool. Integer, character, float, boolean, super, short, string, long. Awesome, guys, super. So yes, so we have different types of data types. Okay, the first data type is byte. Then we have short, then we have integer, then we have long, then we have float, double, then we have boolean, then character, and then we also have string. String alone is not a data type in Java, it's a class, but also acts as a data type in Java here. That's what it will do. Clear? So what is this byte, short, integer, long, float and double, boolean, all those steps. Okay. So right now for me, this byte, in short, integer, long, these all will describe the numbers. Float and double will deal with the decimals. Boolean deals with true or false. Boolean, it deals with true or false. Okay, character deals with a single letter alone. Okay, character always actually what deals with single letter, that is A or X, 1, anything that actually what comes with a single code, that will be taken as a character. String, any information that comes with double quotes. Okay, any information that comes with the double quotes. Hi, hello, world. And then unread. Anything that comes with the double quotes, actually what? It is a string here. That's what. So now we'll see, we have byte, short, integer, long, all those things. Okay. All those things actually from our side, we are going to talk about numbers only. Then why we need these many data types? Okay. That's what. Okay. So byte, short, integer, long, it's going to deal with numbers. Then why we need these many data types to store numbers? So what is that actually, what this data type means? It is going to deal with the range, okay, the range of value that is to be stored. So the data types, what means actually, it's kind of a container. Okay, each and every data type is a kind of a container. Byte, short, integer, long, float, double. We have these many things. Okay, so byte, short, integer, long, float, this is double. So all the things are kind of a container. So what is going to do means, okay, so byte, it's going to deal me with numbers from okay, right now the numbers which I'm going to tell you right now is actually what, not the real numbers. I'm trying to explain you about the concept to make you understand in an easier way. That's what. Okay. Byte can store values from -127 to 128. Okay. It can store numbers from -127 to 128. Short can store values from -300 to 300. Integer can store values from -500 to 600. Long can store values from -1500 to 2000. Float, it can store values from -1000. I'll go 2000.002 3000.99. Double minus 5000.002 5000.99. That's what. Okay, this is what the range. So right now I want to store a value which is 200. This is what the value I need to store. So now if I see, it is actually what is a number. So numbers what deals with byte, short, integer and long. So now this 200, in which are the data types will be supported? -127 to 128. In between this range this 200 comes? No. -300 to 300. Yes. In between this range 200 comes. So I can store this value in short. -500 to 600. Will 200 will come? Yes. 200 also is in between the range of this integer. I can support. Integer data type also support. Long, -1500 to 2000. So this 200 also comes in between this range. So long also is supported. Okay. Same thing if it is -50. So now if you see -50, -127 to 128. In between this -50 comes? Yes. So byte is supported. -300 to 300? Yes. Short is also supported. Then integer -500 to 600? Yes, it's supported. Then in long. Okay. These are the data types are supported. I can store in anything. Okay. So now, right now, my value is 450. So now I want someone. So I'll ask someone. Hey Sudhakar, can you tell me? Hi Sudhakar, you're there? Hello? Hello? Okay. Hey Shweta, hi Shweta, you're there?
That money is not wasted, by the way.
So, hey, hi Anil, you're there? Balaji, you're there?
Yes.
Hi Balaji. Can you tell me 450 will be supported in which?
It will be supported for the integer.
Yes, awesome. -500 to 600. Yes, 450 comes, so it supports an integer.
And then long.
-1500 to 2000. Yes, in long also it's supported. Will this byte and short will be supported?
No, it won't be supported.
Yes, correct. It will not be supported. Hey, thanks, Balaji. Thank you.
No.
Super. So now next, Sudhakar, you're there? Hello. Hello. Hey, hi, Ramya. You're there?
Hi.
Ramya, Sudha. Oh, just now you came? Okay. Yeah. So next, I'll ask Manjari.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Manjari. Okay, so now I'll ask. So my number is -3500.65. Can you tell me as where I can store this?
It can go in float. And double.
Minus 3,500.65. So
Oh,
we'll
sorry,
do-
sorry. It will go in double. It will
Yes,
go
because
more
it's
than
exceeded the
yes.
range. So here
Yes,
in this range, suppose only double alone supported.
only double. Yes.
Clear?
Mhm.
Everyone understood what is data type? Hey, thanks, Manjari. Guys, everyone understood what is data types? Okay, data types are kind of a container which acts as a reference, gives an info to the variable as what type of values to be stored in it. Okay. It's a container which acts as a reference, gives an information to the variable as what type of values to be stored in it. That's what a data type will do. Clear? That's what. Okay. So right now from my side, I will not be giving you perfect definition or something like that. Okay. Will be always trying to give you in a real-time world what is happening in the backend. Okay. Why means if you try to mug up some informations, you guys, if you lose one small sentence in it also, you will not be able to get the information. But we are trying to learn everything practically what's happening at the back end. That's the way we are going to learn. So I'm going to give you everything actually what practically what's happening over there. The same thing if you are going to explain in the interview, okay, they will feel that actually what you have a very good knowledge on it. Okay, don't try to learn or mug up. Try everything practically. So if you miss out one sentence also, if you know that actually what is the logic being added, you can form a sentence and then you can give the answer for it. Okay, that's what the proper learning. That's what we are going to do here. Okay, guys. Can everyone give me in the chat windows yes if you have understood what is data type, so that we can go for variable. Just another 5 minutes alone I'll take. Cool. Super. Okay. Thanks, guys. So now I'll go to variables. So variables will take. So variables. So what is that? So variables is what means, okay. So it's a memory location. It's just a memory location which helps us to store values in it. Okay, it's just a memory location which just helps us to store values in it. That's what it's going to do. Okay, so in variable there are two things that we need to be note. One is declaration. One is declaration. Another one is initialization. One is declaration. Another one is initialization. So what is declaration? What is initialization? We'll see. So how a variable will be declared means integer I need to give. So what is the integer? int. Okay, this is the data type. I is the variable name. So when I give this step, what's going to do means, okay, for me, it's going to create me one memory location here. Okay, it's going to create me like a memory location at the back end and then gives the memory location name as I. I is the memory location name. Then this integer will act as a reference till to the memory location, store only integer values alone. Okay, that means store only integer values alone means that is store only values which are all in between the range of minus 300 to 300. That's the thing. Okay, store values which is of minus 300 to 300. Those values alone you store it. That's the thing. Getting? Next is initialization. Okay, what is initialization will do means? I'll just move it down. I is equal to 10. So now when I give I is equal to 10, here it will search for the memory location which matches with I variable. Okay, so right now this is the memory location which matches. In that 10 will be stored. But before storing the 10 value inside the variable, it will check whether this 10 is between the range of integer. Yes, it is in between the range of integer only. My 10 comes under minus 300 to 300. Then it will be allowing it to store the value. Okay, that's what it will do. Another one we have reinitialization. Once again, I'm going to give I is equal to 20. Now what will happen right now for me? Already I've stored 10. Now what will happen? It will search for the memory location called I. Yes, this memory location matches. Then it will try to store 20. But already we have 10. Now when I give it as 20, what will happen means it will override. This 10 will be now override with 20. That's what it's going to do. Clear? This 20 now it will be override. Clear? This step is called as reinitialization. Declaration and initialization can be done also in a single step. And initialization can also be done in a single step also. So that is integer a is equal to 100. When I give, what will happen? It's going to create me a memory location. Then a will be the memory location name. That integer will act as a reference, tell to the memory location, store only integer values. That is, store only the values in between this range. Then 100 now it will be stored, but before storing it checks whether it is there under this range. Yes, it is there under the range. Then 100 will be stored in it. That's it. Clear, guys? Anyone has any questions on understanding what is this variable and then what is declaration, initialization and reinitialization? Anyone has any questions on this, guys? Can I again expect the same information? If everyone has understood, please ping me as yes in the chat window. I know that I am asking you a lot of times to ping yes in the chat window, but actually it's like it's a proper way of interaction. It's easy so that I'll be clear that you have understood it. Okay, cool. Thanks, guys. So now I just want another information. So right now we are gonna close the session as of now. Another information what I need means I just need to know whether the phase right now how I'm going. Am I going very slow or am I going too fast or is my phase is okay? That is, do you want me to speed up or you want me to slow down? Just a small feedback. If you think that actually what right now I'm going is the phase is correct and then you're able to understand is my speed is correct, just give me it's correct. Or if you want me to increase, just give me as actually what increase or something like that. If you feel that actually what it's okay, give me as fine. Cool. Is it okay that I can continue with this one? Okay, just want to increase a little bit. For most of them actually are saying fine, correct, okay. Okay, cool guys. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the feedback. Okay, so I'll try to, Divya, actually I'll try to, day by day when we go over there, I'll try to increase the speed a little bit. So that actually as the initial stage, I just want everyone's comfort zone. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Going further, I'll try to increase.
Yeah, so no problems.
Okay, yeah, cool. Okay guys, thank you. So I'll forward it. So today, okay, so the assignment for this weekend is what means I want everyone to create a project package and then after the class. So then after that, I want you to print the hello world statement over here. Okay, hello world I want you to print. So the variables and all those things will again start actually from the Monday session. Okay, yeah, thank you. Thanks guys, we'll again meet on Monday.
Murli,
Yes.
Monday is holy, so I'm not sure if there's already in Bangalore, but maybe
Oh,
7
okay.
days.
Oh, Monday is holy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I'm not sure as of now. I'll just confirm over there. I'll just separately. Okay, guys, can you do one thing? Is it possible? Actually, as how many of them think that actually what you might not come on Monday? Okay, just ping, send a mail to me or just give me a chat. So if actually what at least most 40% of the class is not coming, so I'll shift out on Tuesday over there. Okay, just give me in the chat window, not in the chat window or separate mail also you can send me. Okay, so that I'll make it. Okay, hey, thanks guys.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, tell me.
Hello, Murali. I'm Ramya.
Yes, Ramya. Hi, Ramya.
So I have started today, so I have missed your yesterday class. I don't know how to download the Eclipse and all. So how can I do today's exercise?
Okay, cool. So actually, some of them are new joiners today. So I'm planning to keep a backup session for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So it's like actually what it's like 9 p.m. I'm planning to start it.
Okay.
Tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. I'll just forward the backup session for tomorrow by 9 p.m. As anyone is interested, please come for it. Okay. So it's like actually the same session what I covered for yesterday and then today is what I'm going to cover for tomorrow. As like a little bit in a faster version we'll go, not a full fast, a normal phase we'll try to go. If anyone is interested also, you can just come. Okay, tomorrow you can just come for it. So I'll be helping you on that.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thanks guys. Thank you so much. Any questions you can ask me, otherwise we can quit for today. Okay, thank you. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.